Hey, I'm Helena.
And I'm Jenny. And this is our science experiment. What we're doing is we're trying to find an alternative to using non-renewable energies such as coal, gas and fuel. And so this is our experiment. What we used was we tried to find different colour backgrounds, silver, orange, blue, red and green, to see which one heated the water the best. And we did the experiment.
We did the experiment by taking this tube, which is actually 2 Pringle containers duct taped together, and then we left the ends on, the plastic ends, and then we put 2 straws attached to each other through the middle. The water would run through the straws, and we put it underneath the McDonald's heat lamp. We'd take the syringe, fill it with water, and insert it in the side of the experiment that isn't blocked. We put the water in, and then put the temperature probe into the water to measure its original temperature and the temperature after it's been under the McDonald's lamp. Which, yeah.
Okay, so our results were quite interesting because they all started out with different temperatures, but they only increased by 0.1 of a degree Celsius. The highest temperature overall was 22 degrees Celsius, but its original temperature was 21.9.
So our conclusion is that every single background attracts the light, which turns it into heat, a same equal amount, including the aluminium foil and all of the coloured paper, all of it only raised by 0.1 degree under 2 minutes of light.
Some of the main errors in this experiment were that we heated one for longer, or we accidentally moved it so it wasn't in the exact same position, and also maybe there wasn't the same amount of water in it, or there was leakages in this experiment.
We could have improved the experiment, us personally, by taping up the tube, because all of our water started to leak out halfway through. We could have also left it under the heat for the same amount of time, because I think that we went under and over for a couple of colours.
So, all in all, I think it's quite a good idea to have these to heat up the water, but only if you don't have us making them. So, all in all, that was kind of a failure as an experiment.
Reporting back to you from ZAS Middle School Science Laboratory.
This was Jenny.
And Helena. And you will see us in the news soon. Yes.
On YouTube.
Or something.